Scott Murray here at Level 5 Tools. The guys are telling me I aren't entertaining enough, so here we go. I want to talk to you about our new triple-hardened stainless steel trowels. We've had the flat trowels out for a while now. We now have the curved trowels available for loading up your butt joints and also loading up your manufacturer's joints. So we got about an 1/8" bevel in these curved trowels. Again, ultra high quality construction. The way we manufacture these trowels, as boring as it may sound, guys, is that we use surface rivets and then we press fit into this heavy duty aluminum spine. We have found over time that that is far, far stronger than doing a through rivet that breaks through the surface. The reason being is, even if you make this rivet on the leading edge bigger, you're going to wear through that, and then that blade's going to pop, rendering the trowel useless. These are ultra finely made. We've got manufactured beveled edges along the sides. They're precision ground by machine. Give you that broken feel right out of the box. Custom, patent pending leather handle. There's nothing else like it on the market, folks. This is a composite leather blend that conforms to your hand. You're absolutely going to love it, particularly when you're working in a wet environment. If you want to learn more, check us out on level5tools.com, and welcome to the Red Zone.